The rain started before dawn. It was soft at first, like someone gently tapping on the windows, but within minutes it grew louder, heavier, stronger. Inside a small apartment on the third floor, Liam opened his eyes slowly. He looked at the clock. 7:32. No, 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 he shouted. He was supposed to be at work by 8, and today was not just any day. It was the day his boss warned him. If you're late again, Liam, we need to talk. He jumped out of bed, put on the first clothes he found, and grabbed his bag. When he opened the door, a strong wave of cold, wet air hit his face. He stepped outside only to realize something terrible. He forgot his umbrella. He ran back inside, searched everywhere, under the bed, behind the door, inside the closet. Nothing. With a deep sigh, he stepped outside again into the heavy rain, until he noticed something unusual. A black umbrella stood leaning against his door. A perfect umbrella. A brand new umbrella. But it wasn't his. Strange, he whispered, but he didn't have time to think. He grabbed it and rushed down the stairs. As he reached the street, a sudden voice echoed behind him. Wait! Stop! Liam turned around, but there was no one in sight. Only the rain, falling like endless silver lines. He hesitated for a moment, then kept walking. He didn't know that this morning was about to become the most unusual day of his life.
The streets were almost empty. Anyone with a brain stayed inside on such a rainy morning. Liam walked fast, the umbrella protecting him from the storm. Suddenly, he saw something small lying on the sidewalk. It was a brown leather bag, soaked by the rain. Liam looked around. No one. Not a single person. He knelt and picked it up. The bag felt light, almost empty, but when he opened it, his heart skipped a beat. Inside the bag was a silver necklace with a small letter M on it, and next to it, a photograph, a picture of a young woman smiling brightly under the sun. Liam swallowed. This is someone's valuable thing. He looked at the picture carefully. The woman's face seemed familiar, but he couldn't remember where he saw her. He made a quick decision. I'll take it to the lost and found office near my work. He placed the necklace and photo back inside and continued walking. But then, a voice, behind him, softer this time. Please, wait. Liam turned quickly. Again, no one. The rain fell harder, as if trying to hide something. He felt a chill run through his body. Liam arrived at the bus stop, completely wet from the legs down. A young woman stood there, trembling slightly under the rain. She wore a light jacket, completely unsuitable for the weather. When Liam got closer, the woman looked at him with wide, anxious eyes. "Excuse me," she said softly. "Have you seen a small brown bag? I lost it this morning." Liam froze. He recognized her immediately. It was the woman from the photograph inside the bag. You're the owner?" he asked. She nodded quickly, worry written all over her face. Liam held out the bag. "I found this on the sidewalk." The woman grabbed it with shaking hands. When she opened it and saw the necklace, tears filled her eyes. "Oh, thank God. This necklace belonged to my sister. She passed away last year." Liam felt a wave of sadness wash over him. "I'm sorry," he said quietly.
She looked up at him with a grateful smile. "My name is Maya. Thank you. Really." For a moment, the rain felt calmer around them. Then, suddenly, a loud crashing sound came from across the street. A car had hit a streetlight. Maya gasped. Liam instinctively grabbed her arm, and from the broken car, someone stepped out. A tall man, wearing a long, dark coat. He stared directly at them.
The man walked slowly toward them, rain dripping from his coat, his eyes locked onto the umbrella Liam was holding. And then he spoke. "That umbrella is mine." Liam felt the world freeze. "What?" he asked. "I left it at your door," the man continued. "I needed someone to take it, someone specific." Maya stepped back. "Who are you?" The man didn't answer her. Instead, he looked straight into Liam's eyes. "You heard my voice, didn't you?" Liam's heart dropped. "The voice that said wait, that was you?" The man nodded. "But how? You weren't there." The man smiled slowly, almost sadly. "Because I wasn't calling you with my voice. I was calling you with something else." Liam felt confusion rise inside him. What something else? The man pointed at the umbrella. That umbrella belonged to Maya's sister. She wanted someone kind and honest to return it, and return the necklace too. Maya gasped. "But my sister, she passed away." The man's expression softened. She wanted one last message delivered, a message of protection. Liam felt his skin crawl. "So, who are you?" The man took one step back. "Just someone who listens, someone who carries messages the living cannot hear." And then, as a bus passed in front of them, the man vanished, completely, as if he had never existed.
Liam and Maya stood frozen, staring at the empty space where the man had been. The rain slowed down, turning into a soft drizzle. Maya held the necklace tightly to her chest. "My sister, she used to say that kindness returns to you in unexpected ways," she whispered. "I always thought it was just a saying." Liam looked at the umbrella in his hand. It suddenly felt warmer, lighter, meaningful. Maybe she was right. Maybe today wasn't an accident. Maya smiled, tears mixing with the rain. "Thank you, Liam. You didn't just return a bag. You returned something much bigger." They walked together toward the bus, talking slowly, softly, two strangers brought together by a storm, a necklace, and a message from someone who wasn't alive anymore, but still cared. As Liam got on the bus, he looked back one last time. The morning had begun with stress, chaos, and rain, but it ended with something unexpected. A connection, a mystery, and a reminder that even the darkest mornings can bring light. And as he held the umbrella tightly, he whispered, "Maybe rainy mornings aren't so bad after all."
And that was the story of A Rainy Morning. A simple moment, a lost bag, a stranger in the rain, and a message that changed everything. Now, I have a question for you. Do you think kindness can really come back to us in unexpected ways? What would you do if a mysterious stranger disappeared right in front of you? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. I love reading your ideas. If you enjoyed this story and want more simple English stories like this one, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.